The island of La braces for more earthquakes as the volcano continues to rumble. Canary Islands, AP, residents on the Spanish island of La Palma braced Wednesday for the possibility of a larger earthquake that could add to the damage caused by a volcano spewing lava more than 5 weeks since it erupted. Seismologists said a 4.6 magnitude earthquake rocked the island a day after they recorded a 4.9 magnitude quake, the strongest so far of hundreds to hit beneath La Palma since the volcano's eruption on September 19. So far, the earthquakes have been small enough or far enough below La Palma to pose no danger, apart from adding to the anxiety of the island's residents. Tuesday's earthquake was felt up to 60 miles, 96 kilometers, away in 3 other parts of the Canary Islands, an archipelago off the northwest coast of Africa. The scientific committee has been warning for more than a week that we could see an earthquake, given the depth of the current quake of about 12 kilometers, 7.4 miles, and its magnitude, which reached a magnitude of 6 on the Richter scale. Maria José Blanco, director of the Institute Spanish National Geographic in the Canary Islands, told Spanish national television station RTVE. The flow of molten rock from the Cumbre Vieja volcano alone has caused the evacuation of around 7,500 people and destroyed more than 2,000 buildings, mostly homes. Rivers of lava covered more than 900 hectares, 2,200 acres, of mostly agricultural land, while one large flow extended the island into the Atlantic as the weather cooled. There were no casualties as a result of the eruption. Apart from the western side of the island, life continues as normal for the 85,000 residents of La Palma except for having to clean up volcanic ash. The last eruption on the island, in 1971, lasted 24 days. The longest, in 1949, lasted 47 days. The activity has now entered its 39th day and shows no signs of stopping.